Hey there, we're looking at problem set practice for lesson 18. And I noticed that our teacher down at Jefferson, when she does her slideshows, she includes the answers on the problem set so that you're checking your work. But what I'm going to do on the slide right next to it is I'm going to show my work because that's what I would expect in your math book is that you've shown your work. So let's see, Nguyen earns $17 per hour. So I'm going to write, let's see if I can get my pencil there. So 17, and it says dollars, and then we're looking at the per, in fact, I should write that. Dollars per hour. Okay, so if Nguyen tutored for 12 hours this month, how much money did she earn in this total month? So $17 per hour, and so then I'm multiplying by 12, and then it's hours. And that's where I am cross. If I go back, and I am crossing the hours off, and then what I'm left is 17 times 12. I'm going to actually go right up here. 17 times 12 gives me 14 to 3. Here's a 0, done with that. There's 7, there's 1, so I get 4. 7 and 3 is 10. Carry the 1, I get 2. So I get 204. I'm going to add my dollar sign. $204. And here's my question. How much money did she earn this month? I'll just add this month. Okay, 1B. It says, if Nguyen tutored for 19 and a half hours last month, how much money did she earn last month? So now I'm going to go with that 19 and a half. And it says hours. Now I'm going back and rereading it. And I'm going to go the hours, and then that's times by, remember, it's still 17, and it's still dollars per hour, right? So I'm going to cross cancel the hours, and now I've got space to do the 19 and a half times the 17. So now I've got 7 times 5 is 35. Here's my 63 and 3 is 66. There's 13. It's 7 times 1 plus 6. Then I put my placeholder down here because now I'm multiplying by 10, not just 1. So then there's a 5, there's a 9, there's a 1. I add up 5, there's 11, and then there's 13 and 3. But I have to remember, count 1 over to put the decimal. So now I'm writing down, I'm going to convert that, $331.50. Okay. How much money did she earn last month? So $331.50. And then I should write last month would make that complete. Okay. Second question. So that was a two-part. The Piney Creek Swim Club's preparing for the opening day of the summer season. The pool holds 22,410 gallons of water, and the water's being pumped in at, I'm going to turn this back to blue. It's being pumped in at 54 gallons per hour. So this is important, that's important. The swim club has its first practice in 42 hours. Will the pool be full in time? Wow, there's a lot of questions. So let's see. We've got 540. It says gallons. And that's for every hour, right? And then we're checking in 42 hours. in 42 hours is the pool going to be full? Let's see. So I'm going to cross cancel my hours and hours. So now I'm multiplying 540. I'll do it over here. 540. Oops. And I'm multiplying that by 42. So there's a 0, 8, and 10. Okay, and I'm done with that. Put my placeholder. There's a 0 and a 16 and a 21. 0, 8, 6, 2, 2. So now I don't have any decimals to worry about. I'm going to come back over here and write 22,680. What's my label? I've got to have gallon. I mean, I see the answer here, but I'm going to have to put in my gallons. But that's after 42 hours, and they're saying if it holds this much water, and after 42 hours, is the pool going to be full? And I would say yes, because after 42 hours at 540 gallons per hour, they're going to have more than what the pool will hold. So the swim club will have enough water. Yep. Yay, I'm glad. Okay. So that is the problem set. So glad that you've shown your work, because to me that's the most important thing. And we'll see you for lesson 19.